Video from the channel. This time we'll check how to change Facebook profile picture without losing likes or comments. So it's very easy. For doing this, you have to select a picture that you used before. So for doing this, let's go to our main menu and then let's go to our profile. Okay, now that we are on our profile, just select the profile picture like this one, and then deselect the option that says choose profile picture. If you choose this option, it appears all the pictures that you upload as a profile picture on Facebook. But if you select, for example, import from your device or something like that, well, it depends on what kind of picture you upload, but you will lose all your likes or comments. So it's better to choose your profile picture. And then that we are here, just go to, for example, uploads. In uploads, you will find the pictures that you upload as a profile pictures, like this one. So I will select this picture, as you can see, and then just share your upload newsfeed if you want. If you don't want, just unselect this. But well, in this case, let's press this one and then let's press save. Let's wait. Okay, let's know now. And as you can see, the picture is uploaded. And if you check the picture, in this case, well, I don't have likes, but if you have likes, it appears normal, all the likes that people give to the picture before, so you will find here, and that's it. So well, guys, I hope it works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a like to this video.